Unboxing and inspection. Inspect the outer packaging for any signs of damage. Verify that the Smart Lock model matches the customer's order. Open the package on a clean, flat surface and invite the customer to inspect the contents together. Confirm that all accessories are included. Pre-installation inspection. Use the spindle and lock cylinder to verify the mortise operates smoothly. Check that the deadbolt functions properly. Inspect both lock panels for any cosmetic damage. Adjust the latch bolt direction according to the door opening direction. Install the lock mortise. Install the lock cylinder with the keyway facing outward. Secure the lock cylinder. Insert the spindle into the lock mortise with the raised end facing inward. Mark the spindle. Cut line 5 mm from the door surface. Adjust the through bolts so they pass through the mortise without touching the front panel, then mark the cut line. Insert and secure the trim thunter and tailpiece. Insert the trim spindle. Connect the power cable and install the front and rear panels. Install the batteries. Installation is now complete. Follow the instructions in the app to continue. Enter the Wi-Fi password and proceed to the next step. Try now to complete the setup. Thank you for watching.